Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Tasia and this is Tasia's TV. We got Miss Baldy Cappy. It's not as flat, but it's flat enough. We're gonna go ahead and put this over our ears. We're gonna take our scissors and we're gonna cut our ear. Y'all, wait. Did I almost cut my ear? Wait, is that good? Wait, did I just do that? So we are starting over. See, I don't know what I'm doing. We can put the bad glue onto our edges and let's dry it. So we are starting over for the third time. Look at my hand. Let's go. This the last week kept too, so. So right here we just starting over because my dumb tail didn't know what I was doing. Then we gonna cut our wig cap. Yes, very much. Not doing so well though. It's okay. It's okay. Keep going. Put that makeup on there. Ooh, now look at school. Ooh, that wig on that forehead. Why my wig gotta look like that? Oh my goodness. I hope my hair do not fall out because that wig cap is not down to cool. So okay, we just gonna put look at my lips giving very much ashy. But we're just gonna comb this glue into, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, we're just gonna glue this down because it wasn't doing too cool. That side is not plugged, neither is that side. Pull that thing back. Let's cut. Snip, snip. Let's go ahead and do zigzag, zigzag, baby. Get into the zigzag. We're going to do all three sides. And we're going to pull our baby hairs out because that's what we do. Put that elastic band on. Yes, ma'am. Look at this. I'm just cut these baby hairs, baby. Cut that. Cut it. If you mess up these baby hairs, you're done. I'm always talking about you're done. Like, am I really done? Probably am. This screams weed. It looked like a quick weed. First of all, I'm taking this out right now, today, tonight, now.
One eternity later.
It's 12 in the morning. Still haven't got the weed to do what it do. So we're gonna dry this out. I've decided not to dry it. I'm really sleepy. Like, it's 12 in the morning. Balm wax stick, I guess. What? Okay, that wax stick is gonna put it down, but it's very much gonna turn her hair white. It's giving very much thin. Not liking that. We're just going to braid this up and call it a day. As y'all can see, I was fed up throughout the whole video. I didn't like my installation process. I didn't like the ending of the result. All of it was blood. As of right now, it's giving no. I'm gonna try to style it in the morning, and if I don't like it, I'm going to take it out. But if you're not subscribed, you need to go ahead and subscribe because you're hurting my feelings by watching this video and not even subscribing. But that's it. And that's all. And just wait on me. Wait on me for the next video.